What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today this is going to be part of a little series on building your foundation and getting your website going and doing a little bit of keyword research and whatnot. Welcome back. So today I just want to get you guys started so you can start playing around. Anytime you're doing a search and stuff online, you want to have this extension. It's called MOZ, okay? So basically MOZ is the website here, MOZ, M-O-Z right here, okay? And this is a free tool that they offer. It's called the MOZ Bar. You can download it for free, okay? And then once you download that, it's going to, obviously become an extension. You just got to make sure it's activated. And then basically it's pretty handy little tool here when you're going to look and do some keyword research. So I'm obviously in Las Vegas, and one of my websites is bachelorvegas.com. So I went ahead and search Bachelor Las Vegas. Let's see what comes up. Here's some ads. Here's some, the local SEO. There's me, Bachelor Vegas, 116 reviews. That's looking good. 4.9 stars. And then here's the MOZ Bar. Okay, now this is where it shows like your page authority and your domain authority, so you can actually kind of get an idea of like the competition on this particular keyword. These are the organic listings. Okay, so this is a nice thing to have, so you can kind of really, when you're doing like a keyword research, and I'll be doing another video on keyword research and how I do it and whatnot. But this is a nice thing to start out with. Get this MOZ Bar, get it loaded into your Chrome, and start using it to see kind of what, when you do a search, you'll get an idea of what you're competing against here. Now, if you take a look here, we are right there. That's us. So we're on Bachelor Las Vegas. We are number 3 here. Okay, and you can see we have 13,000 links. Domain authority of 46. Pretty solid. Now, if you go to Bachelor Parties Las Vegas, you're going to see Parties Las Vegas. Now here's an ad I'm running. This is AdWords. You can go back and look at the video here on how to set up AdWords. I did a whole like an hour-long video with my media buyer on how to set up our AdWords. You can do that. Just go through that video and I'll show you how to do that for free. So here's us. We're ranking number 2 here in the AdWords. We're only a few reviews away between Trustpilot and the Google reviews. You need to get to 150 on the review number, and you actually will get these little stars that will appear next to your listing. Okay, I think we're about 10 reviews away from that, so that's coming soon. As you can see here, we've got 116, but we have about 24 or 25 reviews with Trustpilot. So I think we're about like 141, 142. We're probably like 7 or 8 away. By maybe the end of this week, I'll be hopefully get those stars up here in my listing. That'll put us at a nice advantage over everybody else. Nobody else has those stars. We will have them. And if you look here, look at the other people we're competing with. No reviews. Now, we were number 3, I think, or 2 or 3 in the organic search for Bachelor Las Vegas. Now, I just added the word parties here, and now it's a whole other story. We're not anywhere to be found. Here's the these guys are one of our big competitors, Vegas Party VIP. And you'll see here, we actually don't appear anywhere on the first page, and you have to go all the way to the 4th page here to find us, which is kind of a little bit frustrating, because you're going to see on the MOZ Bar, we are page authority, actually, where's it at here? Right here. Page authority of 13,122 links and a domain authority of 46, very solid. And then we're not ranking anywhere, we're on the 4th page here, so this is page 4, okay? So I asked my SEO guy, I said, how is it possible that we have so many links compared to everybody else, and our domain authority is so much higher than everybody else's, and why are we ranking where we are? So he's looking into it. But for Bachelor Las Vegas, we're number 3, which is kind of where you would expect us to be with that kind of domain. But again, this video is, I want to just kind of start laying the foundation for you guys. I'm going to be doing a whole video series on content marketing and SEO and getting good content written, and doing some things with social signals and whatnot, Pinterest traffic. There's a lot of stuff I'm going to show you guys over the course of the next month or so. some of the stuff I already know, and I don't practice because I'm too dang busy doing sales and stuff for my company. But we're getting into the tail end of the busy season, so the quotes are starting to slow down a little bit. So this is going to be, I'm going to be teaching it to you guys as I refresh my skills along the way, which is kind of a good thing for both of us. So you guys are going to get the real deal Holyfield from my SEO guy and myself as we are actually putting stuff into gear and getting stuff ranked. And I'm going to be able to refresh my my skills. I haven't gone through SEO classes in probably 4 or 5 years. I do know how to do it, and I've ranked a lot of things, and I do rank a lot of videos and whatnot. But it's still always good. There's a lot of like little intricacies, sometimes a little trick here and a little trick there that can make a big difference in your rankings. So go ahead and get the MOZ Bar. Basically, the way it works is, anytime you do a search, let's do like keto diet, and you'll be able to see the competition on that. I'm sure it's very intense. Okay, so here's the keto diet. These are all your ads. And check this out. So we have keto-.com/keto diet. There's the page authority. You can do like a link analysis here. You can just click on this. This is right from the bar. And you can see inbound links, and then obviously there's more stuff to be shown here, but you can get a good idea of the competition. I think there's like a paid version that shows a lot more different things you might need when you're going ahead and doing the SEO and trying to rank your content against something like this. So this MOZ Bar is pretty handy. It's a nice thing to have active while you're browsing on the internet. So you kind of see, look at this guy, 9,767 links, domain authority 62. That's pretty dang good. So he's definitely got a real high authority site. And so this gives you an idea when you're going in and doing keyword research. But stuff like this here, you do this drop down and you basically go into keto diet, like plan for beginners. Now this is going to be a lot less competitive more than likely because this is a long tail keyword. We're talking 5 words here, and like this one's pretty high domain authority, but I'm sure if you scroll down here a little bit lower, you're going to get less competition. This is a pretty heavy term. Keto diet obviously is a very popular thing these days, so it's going to be tough to rank for something like this unless you're pretty good at SEO. But again, there's tons of other niches and stuff out there. This probably wasn't the best example, but there's tons of other niches out there where there's a lot less competition, especially with the long tail keywords. And having this MOZ Bar installed, you can just immediately get a quick glance and seeing what you're working with, and wow, I could rank something real easy, not for this, but for something else maybe as you're scrolling around. So I hope you guys did enjoy today. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff for you guys in a series. I'll try to put it into like a playlist, so if somebody comes in and they see one video here, one video there, I can put it all in a nice playlist over time, and you guys go in and do your keyword research, and I'll show you guys how to write articles, put them up, make them look nice, and then actually get them to rank. So if you guys did enjoy today, I am the Marketing Meathead, and if you could go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys have ever heard of the MOZ Bar. Have you ever heard of the MOZ Bar? It's a pretty cool little tool. Somebody asked me a question the other day, and it got me thinking maybe I should do a series on this because it's something that not too many people are really talking about these days. But there is still a lot of money to be made on the internet with ranking websites and whatnot. So I'm definitely attesting to that. And if you could go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and bang the notifications bell. If you're new to the channel, I would appreciate a comment below, and I'll go ahead and welcome you to the channel. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk a little bit later.